Welcome. We are here on the land of the Tehuntju people, traditional homelands of the Eyak, Athabascan, Tlingit, and Chugach region peoples. 17 miles from downtown Cordova is Alaganik Slough. It was an important travel corridor for the Eyak people for collecting and trading natural resources. Today you can enjoy camping, picnicking, berry picking and foraging, wildlife viewing. And it's a great place to spot migratory waterfowl in the spring and fall, including the dusky Canada geese. The boat ramp offers access for paddlers and boaters and anglers. And the quarter-mile boardwalk and covered blind offer access for people of all mobility levels to take in the grandeur of the Copper River Delta. These are just some of the things that make Alaganik Slough such a special location, just like Cordova, and you're invited.